So hi, how y'all doing? Okay, I know it's towards the end of the semester and you're really starting to panic, but I'm guessing most of you almost finished with your final projects. Okay, I should guess again, but seriously, I want you to take a deep breath and I'm going to give you a couple more pointers and some ideas to kind of work you through it to make sure you do really well on this final project. The real key and what I want to find out is, can you make an argument? And to do that, I need to see if you can ask questions, state a contention correctly, and then prove that contention. Most of what I'm going to talk about is on the module titled Final Project, so make sure you check back there. You've got one of two cases to select, and in each case, you've got a contention. You've got a claim. And what I'm going to see if you can take that claim and argue either for that claim or against that claim. So the first thing I want you to do is to take a look at the argument, read either one, either the Rex Ingram or the Dempsey case, really get a good feel for it. And then quickly what I want you to do is I want you to decide on that claim if you're going to argue for the claim or against the claim. Now remember, do you change the wording of the claim? Because if you do, then you're going to be changing who has what responsibilities. So make sure you understand how to word your position on the claim, and there's a good example on the page on the final project. Then I want you to ask some questions. What are the really key questions you need to ask to make sure that the answers of which will give you a position on the claim? If you're arguing the Dempsey case, one of the questions I suggest is, did Patrolman Dempsey act in self-defense? Either yes he did, and if he did, then he's not guilty of manslaughter, or no he didn't, then he is guilty of manslaughter. So you're going to come up with the question, and the answer of that question is going to lead to the next one, and that's a contention. Remember, there's a difference between a contention and an argument. The contention is just that question, the issue, made as a statement. Did Officer Dempsey act in self-defense? Yes, Officer Dempsey acted in self-defense. That would be your contention. And then finally, using the evidence in the case, I want you to prove that contention. Okay, the contention would be like a topic sentence of a paragraph, and everything else underneath is the proof of that contention. So you've got your claim. What position of the claim do you want? What questions do you ask? What are the contentions from those questions? And then finally, prove those contentions. If you can do that, you've done well in this class and you'll get a good grade on your final. Good luck. Check what the due date is of the final, so make sure you know what the due date is. And if you have any questions, check with me online, post the questions, or send me a private message and we'll get the answers for you. Finally, if you've already turned it in and after seeing this you want to give it another try, I'm going to open it up so everybody gets at least 2 tries to it. So you can go ahead and take another look at it, give it another shot, and then I'll start grading after you've turned it in twice, or after the final day. So anyway, good luck with it, and if you have any questions, let me know.